The oldest harps that we know about, we believe, descended from the hunting bow. So somebody was hunting and they pull back and they release their arrow and it makes a twang sound. They're like, hey, that's great. We should make that into a musical instrument. We have pictures in Egyptian pyramids of these harps that are basically shaped like a bow. So they have either two pieces of wood making kind of a triangle with the strings connecting them, or a rounded part like a bow. So that's like 3000 BCE. The next development in the harp was adding the column. Instead of a two-sided instrument, we now have three sides making a triangle. That we get in the Middle Ages, and that's sort of where the Irish harp became really important in the development of the instrument. The Irish harp still has the two pieces and the strings, but then it has a column, and the addition of the column made it so the strings could be at a higher tension. That higher tension made the instrument louder. So before we had the column, the instrument was very soft. My name is Rachel Mazzucco, and this is a quick note about the harp.